How to add a SIM on your iPhone 14 or any other iPhones. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add a SIM to your iPhone. So currently I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max with me. So currently, as you can see, there is no SIM on my iPhone. So if you want to add a SIM, you will basically need two different tools. The first one is a SIM ejector, which is this pin right over here. So you can find this on the box on which your iPhone came with. And the second thing you need is a SIM. So once you have these two things, what you'll have to do is simply remove the phone case if you have any on your iPhone. So if you look closely, you can see this type of box right over here on your iPhone. So what you'll have to do is simply take your SIM ejector and then press over here. After that, this type of pop-up will appear where you'll have to simply eject this SIM tray. And as you can see, this right over here is the SIM tray. What you'll have to do now is simply insert your SIM over here, and once you've inserted your SIM, you'll have to again slide this tray back onto your iPhone. So let me do that real quick. And now open your iPhone. And as you can see, the SIM has already been activated. So that is basically how you add a SIM to your iPhone 14 or any other iPhone existing. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.